Initially, the raw material, such as soybeans or peanuts, is cleaned to remove impurities. This is done using air sifting machines and magnetic separators that eliminate dust, stones, and metal fragments. Once cleaned, the next step is cooking, where the crushed material is heated to optimize oil release during pressing. Steam conditioners are employed to adjust moisture content and temperature. Following this, for higher yields, solvent extraction is often applied after mechanical pressing. Hexane or other solvents dissolve the remaining oil from the meal, which is then evaporated to recover the oil. The resulting crude oil undergoes further processing in the refinery section, where it is degummed, neutralized, bleached, and deodorized to remove impurities and improve flavor, color. Finally, the refined oil is filtered and stored in tanks before being bottled or packaged for distribution. Throughout these stages,